Run a consolidated P&L across every entity in your group in seconds, broken down by company, period, or whatever time frame you'd like. To begin, let's go on over to financials and the P&L report, and we can decide which companies we'd like to include. So I'm going to choose my 3 entities here and apply those changes. I can then report in any currency that I wish. I'm going to choose British pounds for the time being, and all of the currency translations will be handled for me. And then I can decide how I want to break this report down. At the moment, I'm looking at this month, but let's say I want to see the last 12 months broken down by month. All of these numbers are consolidated. We've then got the optional extras to change the layout of the report. So we've got our built-in template, our customized layouts that I created previously. I'm going to look at an EBITDA summary report here. And then also while that one's loading, I can choose how my eliminations behave. So I can come up here and I can say that I'd like to remove my eliminated accounts and apply those changes. And now I'm going to get an accurate 12-month view of my consolidated group's P&L.